Friday, September 16th, doors open 9 a.m. Unbelievable merchandise, guys. I've been promising you, we've got over $1 million worth of inventory for this week. So for those of you guys, the entire store is $7. I got my bulletproof vest here, guys. It's going to be a war in here.
Gang, what it is. Mook and the V, back with another video. In a rush, as usual. Today, man, we doing something a little different, as I have been doing. Promise y'all we got a lot of car content on the way. But, you know, sometimes you just gotta venture out and try some things. So today, man, damn, I need some gas, too. Always need gas, y'all. But today, man, yesterday my mom sent me this message. There was a video of some store in Chicago specifying that they basically got everything in the store, $7, not off, but $7, period. Everything in the store, $7, man. Nice things, you know, expensive things, all type of stuff, man, crazy. So, I know y'all see by the title of the video and the thumbnail, it's probably gonna be insane, man. I ain't never heard of nothing like this, but I guess it's a thing, the box store theme, I guess it's a thing. So, yeah, man, I'm on my way over here. It's early in the morning. It's 9 o'clock. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to see what's to it, y'all. Because, yo, if I can find some expensive stuff for $7, why not? You know what I mean? I'm sorry about the seatbelt. I'm put it on right now. I got to get some gas first, as usual. Never got no gas. There we go. Seatbelt is in. But yeah, y'all, this is crazy. I ain't never heard of nothing like this. So, man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I'm pulling up over there. And hopefully, man, we ain't gotta hurt nobody, cause yo, this is crazy. You know, I might actually put a little bit of the commercial in here so y'all can see it, man.
Friday, September 16th, doors open 9 a.m. Unbelievable merchandise, guys. I've been promising you guys for the past 2 weeks that I'm receiving this unbelievable load. Resellers, attention. Resellers, check this out, hear this out. We've got over $1 million worth of inventory for this week. So for those of you guys who resell on eBay, resell on Facebook, flea market, whatever the case might be, gift, this Friday, September 16th, doors will open 9 a.m. where the entire store is $7. I'm gonna go through each and single bin. The store is loaded and ready to go. Lots of amazing merchandise, guys. You do not want to miss out. That's why I got my bulletproof vest here, guys. It's going to be a war in here. Unbelievable merchandise, unbelievable prices for only $7. You do not want to miss out. Check this out, guys. We're going to show you some of the inventory that we have pulled out, and we will go through each and single bin in a minute. But I need you guys to tune in, start sharing and tagging this live video. Start sharing and tagging this live video. It's only $7, guys. $7 Friday. This Friday, September 16th. You don't want to miss out. Unbelievable merchandise, guys. Merchandise that came from heaven. All the way from heaven through Black Friday deals. 7601.
Actually, the people who's putting this, it's called box store, or I don't know, man, it's just like pallets of goods. The people who putting it on, they actually put the video out with them wearing bulletproof vests, because they know we in Chicago and they know the people is crazy, especially when it comes to getting the last of the best $7 items. So, you know what I mean? I ain't got no bulletproof vest on, but I definitely got that goddamn it with me, you feel me? Only to protect myself, but yeah, man, we gonna gas up and we gonna head over there and we gonna see what's to it. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute, gang. Alright, family, we done pulled up on location. I see the bodyguard in the back. I got him a little bit washed. He been dirty lately. I done had him just outside dirty, getting rained on. But y'all can see where I'm at, man. I'm at the famous Ford City in Chicago, man. If y'all know anything about Chicagoland area, y'all know what goes on here. I ain't gonna say what goes on here, but can y'all see the street? Enough said. Y'all see all these cars out here with the Mexican flags on them, hanging off of them. You see another flag over there. It's like Mexican Independence Weekend or something like that. Something like that. I don't know. Don't quote me on it, but it's something to do with that. So they definitely out here repping this weekend. Flags hanging off a lot of the cars, especially in this area. But yeah, man, we finna see what's going on in here, man. Say Black Friday sale event. So we finna go in here and see what the deal is, man. I'll show y'all.
The line probably belongs to you.
Try not to get hit. Good COVID in here, man. Good COVID in here. You trying to be on the camera? I put you on the camera. What they got in here, man? A bunch of boxes. Let me show y'all what I see. I should have brought gloves in here, man. Everybody touching on all this stuff. Should have a mask on in here too. Packages. This is insane, y'all. Take forever to check them up out of here. And it don't smell good. What up, man?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please remember there's no opening boxes or candy. If you need to get it checked out, please take your customer service.
I know.
I ain't gonna even hold y'all. That was all rolling. There was no cuts. They ain't even a situation for nobody like me. They just got a bunch of boxes in there, a bunch of people touching and grabbing and moving, stank. I'm cool on that, y'all. If it's something in there valuable, that's for $7, man, they deserve it. Because they finna put that work in to, you know what I mean, go through what y'all just seen in there to get it. So I'm not gonna do that. I just, I saw the little commercial and it looked cool. But nah, that's not for me right there. You know, my mom sent me the link yesterday and the way the commercial looked. And it did look like that, but it just wasn't no people in there. But you know, they had all the best stuff right there, you know, in the video. And that's what, you know, brought me in, but I'm cool. I go pay the money for it. I go pay the money for it. Yeah, nah, I'm cool on that, man. I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna cut the camera off for a second, call her, tell her appreciate it, but nah, I'm cool. I see the body guy right here though. Looking kinda good. Cleaned her up a little bit. Give her another, you know, once over today. Should look clean today. Should look clean today. Let y'all see it. For any of the new subscribers, new supporters, you know what I mean? Hold on. One time for the one time. Gotta spend it if you can. Gotta spend it if you can. No, Scammy. Sorry. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut the camera back on once I figure out what else I'm doing today. Today just became different because I thought that was gonna be different. But I'm gonna probably go pull up on the shop today and see what's going on with that. And I ordered that wheel a long time ago, so I'm definitely going to pull up on him today. So we just gonna keep knocking stuff off checklists. That's been my thing for the fourth quarter of 22. Just knock things off the checklist, get ready for 23. But I'll holler at y'all in a second. What up, family? So this is gonna be a continuation from the video earlier. I don't know what that was that I was at earlier, but your boy wasn't with it, man. But I done changed clothes, man. I put that fresh in. Thought I heard somebody slide. Put fresh. Oh, I do hear somebody slide. Let me go ahead out here and get some of this footage, y'all. Y'all know what we here for. Y'all know what we here for. Yeah, I done pulled up on the location, man. I'm finna, I gotta go ask these guys over here what they doing with this right here, man. I'm gonna show y'all in a second what I'm talking about. Can y'all tell me what this is, man? I had to come over here and ask him what this is, man.
3 stacks, 3 Bugattis.
You say what?
My boy said he'll give them a dub if they stack 5 of them on top of each other.
Oh, y'all more than halfway there.
You gotta have one. You cannot just slide it into there.
Fuck! That's
cheating. You gotta.
First thing y'all gotta do is get 2 more carts. That's the first thing. You need 2 more carts first, then you gotta figure out how to get it up there.
Exactly.
And it's all going on my YouTube channel too.
Oh yeah, we're gonna. Oh wait, let me sub.
That's it on the. Oh, matter of fact, scan the back of my shirt. I forgot I got it on my shirt right here. Scan my shirt, yeah. Got to scan the shirt on. You just go to your camera.
I got it.
Oh my bad, I ain't know y'all.
Yeah, I got it.
Y'all see it, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Mook in the V. That's it on the bottom of it too, yeah. Oh yeah. Appreciate y'all, man. But yeah, now I want to see y'all. I want to see y'all succeed. I want y'all to get this 20. Is it $20 a piece, or is it? So y'all gotta make sure y'all get y'all business straight. $20 a piece, what y'all supposed to be asking for. Mook in the V.
How do you spell it?
MOOK. You trying to get on Instagram or YouTube?
YouTube.
Take the space out of there. I mean the K. Now do space. And right there. I'm in that algorithm, baby. Appreciate you, man. Hell yeah. Got some cars out here, man. What's that? Oh, I thought you was talking to me. Got some cars out here, gang. This joint right here, nasty. Great thing. Sheesh. Track all thing over here. I've seen that joint before.
retarded. All right, shut the
What up with
fuck
you, my
up.
boy?
What's good, my boy?
Fella.
Straight?
Yeah. Here. I don't know if this is what you was talking about or not. The address went way down.
We went from other people from the city to this has been.
Yeah.
This is lit.
Yeah, no, it's decent as hell. I ain't know if this was it or not, though. I ain't want to pull my drone out until I knew I was in the situation. I just grabbed a new little joint. I'm thirsty to use that motherfucker. Hell yeah. Oh, it's decent, though. Get some of these cars on here. I'm gonna, as y'all see, man, we got a situation out here, man. I should have brought me a bottle out, shit. What a liquor store at? I might have to go grab me a bottle while I'm out here. Gang, it's straight chaos out here right now, man. Everybody's scattering, fluttering, whatever you want to call it, man. Car alarms going off, man. Police then came, man, running everybody up out of here. We're about to get up out of here, go to the next location, man. I usually don't put these ones on the channel, but I'm gonna show y'all what I be getting into sometime, yeah, I mean. But I'm gonna cut the camera off, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we find a new location, and it's just one of them nights, gang. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. Alright, gang, man. We done moved around 6-7 locations, man. Now we all pulling in. Nice little area over here, man. Appreciate all my new supporters, man. Oh my God. Right when I get to talking, man, these boys is on it, man. Sheesh. Y'all see what time it is outside, man. Yes, sir.